everyone, welcome back to my pantry. So today I'm going to be pressure canning up this flat cut corned beef brisket that we got. It's 4 pounds, almost 4.5 pounds. I'm just going to pre-boil a whole cut of it, and then I'll cut it up and put it in pint-sized jars and pressure can it. That's all I'm going to do today. So, I got a little bit of extra stuff on Buchanan too, but this one is just for here. I had to talk to Linda from Linda's Pantry quite a bit to make sure I got the right cut of corned beef, because there's different kinds you can get. Now I am going to rinse this. The round and then the cut, one has more fat on it than the other. That's the difference. And I'm not going to even use this. Let's make sure it's good cold water. But while I'm boiling it, parboiling it, it takes some of the salt away. So it's not so salty. What a beautiful cut. Look at that. Alright. Stick that in the pan. I'm going to put that side up. Alright, so now it's in the pan. Add some water. I'm going to put enough water in it to cover. This is my Rachel Ray oblong spaghetti pan that I'm using. Now I'm not going to add no flavoring, nothing in with this. No onion, none of that. Like I said, I'm just boiling it to get the salt out. Alright, so I will put this on the pan. On the oven, I should say. Click it and forget it. I'll be back. Okay, so the roast has boiled and I let it cool down for a minute. And in the sink I got my colander with a plastic baggie because I'm going to cut off some of this fat. And then I'm just going to cut it in chunks. I know it's gross if you guys don't get grossed out easy. I mean, that's a lot of fat. You don't want that in your jars. You want some, but not all that, because there's enough fat in the meats. So, get this cut to where I can cut it. So it's kind of a good thing to parboil your meat, so you can do this. And it takes a lot of that salt out. Like I keep saying, you want that salt out of there. You want to try to get as much of the fat off as you can. And then you're just going to cut it in chunks and stick it in your jars. So let's cut it in chunks. Then I got my jar I just took out of the dishwasher, sitting over here. These into bite-sized pieces. I'm not going to add salt to the jar because, why? There's enough salt in there to do it. We're not going to get very many jars out of this. Ooh, lots of fat on that one. Skim that off. Don't yet. It's going to be yummy. Great for Reubens. Let me just get that right off there, right? Jeez. At least I'm not a goof about it and make a blooper out of it. like some other channel I saw. I'm like, really? What's so funny about that? So you drop something. Okay, it's funny. Okay, if I get 2 jars out of this, I'm lucky, and that's 4 pounds. Oh. I can't stop you because my hands are yucky. Ooh, I seen it. To me, this is the easiest way to do it. Oops. Chunk of fat on there. Nope, got that one. All right. So I got 2 pint jars out of that 4.5 pound corn brisket. But you know what? It's okay. Great for breakfast. Corned beef and hash. Corned beef hash. Alright. Put that all in there. Hands off, run some hot water. So you're going to want to debubble. Now, my husband doesn't know if he wants this or not, so that's why I'm only doing the one brisket up. I have not had it in years, but I know I liked it when it was pressure cooked. So, my mom used to do that. So I'm going to take some vinegar, wipe down that top. The lid's sitting over here in a hot. Voila. I have my pressure canner going over here already in hot water with vinegar inside the water because I'm doing some chicken that I had gotten from Zaycon. So I put my finger down in there and help push the air bubbles out. Just a little bit of that water out of there. Alright. Wipe off that top really good. Now, if you're going to pressure can, make sure you at least have a few packages because you got to at least have 4 to 6 jars to pressure can them up. Use a regular pressure canner that you can physically see that it burps and or air depressurizes and everything. Otherwise, it's not being accurate. Alright. So, I will be back. I've got to cook those for 90 minutes, an hour and 15 minutes. So, we'll be back when I'm done all pressure canning, show you how the goodies look. Okay, take the lid off. Check those corned beefs. Beautiful. Okay, I'll put them over here. They'll set overnight. In the morning I'll take the ring off and wash the jars. And that'll be it. That pretty? Looks good, don't it? So, with that, big hugs from my pantry to yours. Thanks for watching today. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to like. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And if you really like it, share it with your friends. Take care. Bye.